When we convert radical to exponential form, all we need to do is to remember and, of course, follow this equation. Nth root of x raised to m is equal to x raised to m over n. So the index is the denominator of the exponent. The exponent of the radical becomes the numerator of the exponent of the exponential form. Now let me give you examples. So here, this is just equal to x raised to 3 over 5. This one. Now, so we have the x squared and the y squared. First thing we need to do is to move that positive 2 exponent outside of the xy. So we can express that as this. That's what I meant when I said that. So, and then we will now convert this into an exponential form or rational exponent. So xy, don't forget the parenthesis, 2/3. 2/3. There you go. Now for the last one, we have a number 8 here. We need to express that into exponential form in such a way that the exponent will be 3 because the exponent of 3 or of x here is already 3. So what is that? What's a number raised to 3 is equal to 8? That is right. It's 2 raised to 3. 2 raised to 3 equals 8. So which means we can also express that as 2x raised to 3. And then converting that into radical, this will be the 2x raised to 3 over 4. Let's have some more challenging examples. Okay, so here we have 81. And 81, as we all know, is a number, and we need to express that as what? A number raised to 8 or a number raised to 4? Well, you need to choose the smaller exponent, and that is number 4. So a number raised to 4 equals 81. What is that number? Is it 2 raised to 4 equals 81? No, it's 3 raised to 4 equals 81. So 3 raised to 4 equals 81. We have the x raised to 4. And then we have the y raised to what? Okay, so y squared raised to 4 equals y raised to 8. Okay, because we need to come up with an exponent that is the same as all the coefficients here. So we can express this as 3x y squared raised to 4. So the final answer is going to be 3x y squared raised to 4 over 3. All right, let's go to the last example. So here we have 32x raised to 10 and y raised to 15. Okay, so let's deal with that number 32 first. And I said earlier that we need to express that raised to an exponent that is less than what is given here. Unfortunately, I think we cannot get a number raised to 10 that is equal to 32. So we need to think about a factor of 10 and 15, wherein we can express that 32 into raised to, a common factor of 10 and 15. So I'm thinking about 5, right? So a number raised to 5 equals 32. What is that? That is correct. It's 2. So 2 raised to 5 equals 32. And then I'm going to do something about that x raised to 10. So 10 divided by 5 is 2. So x squared raised to 5 is equal to x raised to 10. Is equal to x raised to 10. And then the y will become 15 divided by 5 is 3. So y raised to 3 raised to 5. Okay? So to the fourth root of what? So here we can express that as 2x squared y raised to 3 raised to 5. And of course, our final answer is going to be 2x squared y raised to 3 raised to 5 over 4.